so cold. Like, the bike was scary. Well, not scared, but it ought to be scary, dangerous, cold, and the views were crazy. Like, when I saw the mountains, I just instantly thanked God that I came.
I said the place is cold.
It's so cold and foggy.
Yeah, it's cloud. Okay, I can feel like it's actually quite hard to breathe. But I don't know that it's this cold. It's actually quite hard.
The rain see.
Yeah, clouds are everywhere.
We're out here in Obudu cattle ranch.
Yeah.
And you know how it's going to go down.
You know how it is.
You know what it is?
So we're about to go into the place we're going to be staying, a lodge, and first of all, everywhere is so cold. And my drone almost, my drone could not see because of the dew, the fog, like the everywhere is so cold, the breeze and everything. It feels like we're in another country. It feels like Canada. Nigeria hot though. I don't know say cool place like this day for Nigeria. Like cabins. Wow. Is this Nigeria? Is this Nigeria? Like, take a good look at my view.
God.
Wow. Toby, is this Nigeria?
Guy, we left the country.
Yeah, we left the country. Oh. California. Guy, you have to come here. I don't know who you are. Just come. This is a whole different feeling.
So we, the Cali kids.
The Cali kids.
We're about to go for the bonfire right now.
Yeah.
Stay tuned, premium content, you understand? It's cold out here.
You really need to start traveling. My first trip, I don't regret it. It's the first and certainly not be the last. We're at the bonfire party.
Yay! I like balance one. I like balance one. I like balance one. I like balance one. Balance one. Balance one.
Look at these fraudsters. Look at these fraudsters.
Under the canopy of God, my Savior will cover me, give me security. Under the canopy of God, I never feel it. Under the canopy of God, my Savior will cover me, give me security. Under the canopy of God, I never feel it. That on rope, that plastic.
Cold, eh? This place is cold. That's how abroad be.
But guys, oh man,
it's crazy.
So we're in Canada, guys.
Somebody should give me head warmer because I'm about to freeze.
You can see me. Yeah, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Like, Maria, you know where you're.
Oh my God, who did they catch you?
This is so cold. So freaking cold. So freaking cold. That's the only thing, that's the only review I have. If you want to travel out, if you need the cold vibes, just come here. Well, it's time to explore. Draw shots. Okay, that's one that they enjoy for this Canada, true.
it's mine, man.
The clouds are.
Oh, you want to catch up with saying the clouds are
Yes.
moving? No, nah. Come and sit by yourself. Come on, sit.
As your climbing is going up.
It's going up.
As your climbing is going up.
Why not?
Boys, have fun now. What's up now? What's your problem? They are scared. Jesus. This is big whale. He's not scared. Some of our friends are scared.
We live for things like this, come on. So why would you allow fear to limit you?
I swear. But it's getting higher as we're going. It's getting higher. I swear, this camera fall is over. Monkeys with it.
Scary boy.
That was extreme.
It wasn't easy.
It wasn't easy. I don't want the canopy walk and that's going back again with the boys that are not scared.
And you're saying, man, you're saying.
Yeah, it's scary boy.
Why did you not climb, young man?
Me, I climbed.
For where? Why did you not go?
Please explain the camera. Why did you not go?
Why did you
I
not
was
go?
taking snapshots.
Wow.
That's a joke right there.
Can you do me like that?
This is like the making of a horror film right here. And the best part about it is like, in a horror film, the cameraman is never in danger.
Oh yeah, let's go.
He left me behind.